come and fill bylaws where I will participate myself and I will move and find you. Do you know why? Because I'm a young person. Artists, performing artists. And the money is being managed by the artists themselves who subscribe to that specific circle. Government neyagala okuyamba nga ddala erina omutima oguyamba naye nga obusobozi abantu ng'enamba was overwhelming nga tekyasoboka mukitegeera. Now ne baadvisinga abantu bamwe kati katukole groups. This idea of groups was started by the Indians. India became small until they split to other countries. We even have them in Uganda here. And in other neighboring countries, they have this group of governments. When you look at Uganda is one human being. Uganda is a group that was started with an idea of somebody called Uganda, who had groups, people around him, never call groups. We are going to be told we are. They are the same people. We are Bona Valima, but nobody buys because everybody has the product. Eh? So the government, where are you? The government says, citizens, where are you? Just for us, we are here, we have our rights. What is the problem? So the government runs. I am eating. Abantu balina okubanga bakola ekintu ekikola ki ekifaanagana. That is why twabawulamu nti we are performing artists for the very first time. The government of Uganda ijangatwala okuzaala ani kukitundu kyafiramu me give the projects for them they are and expand it. It's not work. But every day when you go to they already decide every day the number of children